Happy Chinese New Year, everyone! Today, I'm partnering with Knorr, and I'll use Knorr Liquid Seasoning to make super crispy lotus roots with stuffed pork. The roundness of lotus roots symbolizes togetherness of friends and family. And on this special occasion, Knorr is hosting super awesome sweepstakes. Between January 10th and February 13th, there will be 10 lucky winners who will take home a cookware set worth $1,000, plus Moses Chen autographed recipe cards. To enter, cook your family's favorite Lunar New Year dish using Knorr Chicken Powder, Knorr Liquid Seasoning, Knorr Bouillon Cubes, or Knorr Mushroom Flavored Seasoning. And upload a photo of your New Year dinner on Knorr's website. I will put the link in the description box. To prepare the lotus roots, after peel off the skin, first slice it into a 1/4-inch piece without cutting all the way through. Then slice it into another 1/4-inch piece, cutting all the way. And do the same with the rest. Transfer the lotus roots to a large bowl. Add in the water and salt. Soak for about 2 minutes. Drain. By doing so, the lotus roots won't turn dark easily. To make the filling, in a large mixing bowl, place in the pork, cilantro stems, scallions, and Knorr Liquid Seasoning. It breaks out the umami flavor. It's the perfect all-around companion in the kitchen, as you can use it to cook, marinate, sprinkle, and serve as dipping sauce. Just one bottle inspires you with endless creations. We're also going to add oyster sauce, SHAOXING wine, white pepper, extra light olive oil, water, cornstarch, and mix well. Take a piece of lotus root. Spread about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. And do the same with the rest. To make the batter, in a large bowl, add in the cornstarch, glutinous rice flour, baking soda, salt, egg, and water. And we're gonna whisk until smooth. In a pot, pour in the extra light olive oil. You can also use any other high smoking point oil. Heat it up until 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. Dip the lotus roots in the batter and place them in the pot, one at a time. Fry until golden brown for about 3 minutes. Remove and set aside. Heat up the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Transfer in the lotus roots. Fry until super crispy, 2 minutes. And drain on a paper towel lined plate. This is super delicious. It's really crispy on the outside, and once you get to the inside, it's still kind of juicy and really tender. Oh, so delicious. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode, and if you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. For next week, I will host a live cooking show on Facebook. For more information, I will post it on Facebook and YouTube. And again, thanks to Knorr, and happy Chinese New Year. Bye!